Hello mga ka-scam, for today's video is art naman tayo. Gagawa tayo ng portrait. As of now, wala pa tayong ibang reference. So ang gagawin kong reference ay ang aking baby, si Baby Aizel Zanira Zain Timagos. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-drawing. 4 months na ata. Marunong pa kaya ako mag-drawing nito? Di kasi ako masyadong nakakapag-drawing kasi ang busy sa work. Tapos pagod na pag-uwi. Tingnan lang natin mga ka-scam kung marunong pa ba ako mag-drawing. Again, ang iguguhit ko po ay yung aking anak. At habang nagdo-drawing ako, may ginawa akong tula para sa kanya, galing sa kanyang pangalan. Sa mga art lover at poetry lover dyan, panuorin nyo hanggang sa dulo. At bago ang lahat, sa mga di pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Pakihit nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga susunod ko na mga video. Salamat! Aizel Zanira Zain. First stanza. I never felt like this happiness before. 0% sadness, 100% awesome future. Zippering my noisy past as you open a new door. Everything in my world will become great for sure. Second stanza. Loving and guiding you is my greatest responsibility. Zigzag roads in front are many, but I know it will be easy. A simple smile of yours makes Papa strong and healthy. No struggles and problems would be difficult in my way. Third stanza. Every day as you grow faster and become wiser, each cry and laugh you shout that gets louder, refreshing my whole because you are my healer and my strength from January to December. Fourth stanza. Heavenly promise, I will say, zesty or sweet the story will be. A father in soul and a man in a body. Night will become light in your journey. Endless love of mine will be at you every day, my baby. May nabasa akong isang quote sa Facebook, and the quote goes like this: a father does not carry a child in the womb for 9 months, but he does carry them forever in his heart.
What?